Can you tune angle and horizon modes from the PID tab? Or is that misinformation? Let's settle this debate once and for all. Hey pilots, welcome back to Drone Labs. Let's clear up the confusion around PIDs and angle or horizon modes in Betaflight. A comment said, PIDs have nothing to do with angle strength at all. Stop with all the bad information. That sounds confident, but it's not quite accurate. In Betaflight, you adjust angle and horizon strength right inside the PID Tune tab. These aren't the PID values themselves, but they do control how angle or horizon modes behave. Even Betaflight says it clearly. The values below change the behavior of angle and horizon flight modes. So yes, tuning does happen here. Look, I am not saying you adjust angle mode using P or D gains. I am saying the controls that affect those modes, angle strength, horizon strength, are right there on the PID tab. So next time someone says it has nothing to do with PIDs, maybe ask, then why is it in the PID tab? Droning is about learning, not gatekeeping. Whether you have flying for 7 years or 7 days, there's always more to learn. If this helped clear things up, drop a like, subscribe, and share with your FPV crew. Fly safe, tune smart.